Wait. Pupunta ako eh.
For you.
Okay, thank you. We're doing a fundraiser right now.
$5 again? Are you sure? Thank you.
Okay. We still have more?
Yun na mo ba naked? It's a very fish. So, piti kuko na nato. Yeah, piti kuko. Kupara nato na po.
Fite?
Isa piti
Fish.
kuko yan.
Tapos parang ngawad ni David Nara.
Kuko eh.
No change. No. Hey,
Painted.
Ako rafting. Negets. Putaya pa parang ngawad nung na fish shoot.
Naked, sakay tikli mo.
Si Katsag. Ego ratta. What's it in the pura siya for business veteran.
I say go sa photo. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Okay.
Iwe, butaw siro sa for kawe gabi at sa idifag.
Is it covered on?
Ah, ngasig charo sir apio.
They say that there.
Oh, ready. Sorry, giri.
That's a good idea.
Iwe, Rubinich nusun. Bichak shuk. Rubinich nusun bichak shuk. Heavy gerakan ifak charar pek. Huh? Heavy grade air price.
3, yeah.
Beards. Okay. Come on, do it. Come on.
4, 5. One more.
Which one, man?
Oh, I almost.
We need more fishes.
Iwe. Wait. Average nusun. Bichak shuk. Review cheeky. Beraber. Huh? All right, final call. Going once, going twice. All right, hours, close. Katorovich, never karatigit. Ha? Here, pagkabuhay. Muriach. Hey, iso. Kata David karatigit. Yun. Next number. Asherik Charnarpek. 619 5906. 619 5906. Oh, sabar.
Okay.
619 59 06. We have a winner. Happy say, happy say. Woo! Yori, Yori. Come on.
When's it, check me?
Ever. Jack Meros. Man. Yeah, si Bagay ka winner po ye. Wait, kar winner. Yararo. Habug, happy say. What's the next one? Okay, listen up. Apa dia? Price, coffee, pirawa, rabbit, rice, vegetable oil, sugar, coffee creamer. Yeah, apa syuk. Let's not crock me cek pasya. Ewa rusun. Acocok kabe. Yeah, merupakan election board. Yeah, General Election Commissioner. Hirari. Kira fundraise. Para meru chart. Agak food cavity. Siapa nak ke corak kabir tikit. Orker corak bek. Orker ke corak kabir tikit. Sumi kis muringa rice persewawin. Cara kabel.
How's my coming? How's my moving? You got me coming home.
Okay, last call. Last call for tickets. Going once, twice. All right. Oh, saya go. Oh, wait. Kakaruja. Urucha, yeah, Racha, but okay, Bishop, Kawi, Pasir. Okay. Huh? Why don't you wait for the second one? Hurry up.
Wait.
Ida. Kawin.
No change? Thank you.
All right. Close. Yeah.
What would you anyway from
Asyarik. Rorog. All right, Asyarik, Charnarapik. Number is Patasachik Miraki 619. 619-540-5. 619-540-5. All right, let's see.
Wow!
619-5405. Yes, we have a winner. Apisi, apisi. Woo! Nakets. Nakets. Woo! Kinisou, Kinisou. Next round, next round. Wait, if I next row. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, okay. Paano na to, Kay? 2 sacks of rice, laundry detergent, Ziploc bag, betting, meat salad. Oh, what's this? A happy hour cocktail. Okay. Your cup. Your taud. Pasigit. Asuk, asuk. Kawa, kawa, kawa. Less than 45 minutes. Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go.
You buy coffee for $1. Wow.
Never, never.
And ramen for $1.
Oh wow, good salesman, good salesman.
When you sell them, that's a good save. We need tip. No, no, Kawin.
Kuwapit ko. Usin, sa hotel, usin,
Raffle, sauce out.
Masarap. Saya kumagawa sa Silverstone. Siya din.
Evet, seriye biraz çepet. Thank you. Ayşerik, turn on a pick. All right, the number is 619 522 and 7. 619 5227. 619 5227. Have we wrong? 619 522 and 7. 619 5227. 619 5227. 619 5227. Yes, we have a winner. Happy say. Oh, iba balik kay Rapper win. Ooh. Nakets. Katon, Karwin nakan. Iwi sa parwit tori. Iwa. Okay, so our price here. Look at me. Look over here. Price. It's euros. Down. 1 24-pack Pepsi. 8 case rice. Okay, case. 8 took rice. Ramen. Meeting. Meat. And then we have lots of stuff in here.
All the stuff.
All for $1. Kawa tikit. Kawa tikit. Echara. Price. got this one. We got this one. We got this one. Curtains. The whole thing. We got skirt. Oh, you just took away my spotlight, man. Now it's focused on you. And then we got this one. And then we got this sack of rice. Beteo, good get. Oh, one turkey tail. Woo. Oh yes, that's a good stuff. Turkey tail. Wait, cover. Ngeri kemi kawa sawa win si pura tiwar ngeri kemi apura para kis araparo happy kawa papue or happy chance de win. पर catch के price camping chair to got rice robin paper towel another robin toilet papers soap pinnu. Oh, this is good. Okay, Ashok business cover. So we got pillow, toilet paper, laundry detergent, robin, toilet paper towel, tukar rice, and camping chair. Those are good price. Catskate price for just $1. Cover. Got price. Pinnu, Robin, soap, sakobat. Wait. Cover. Afin orange na kurok. Cover. Okay. All right, going once, twice. Close. Monitor. Monitor. Yep. Right. Monitor. Notes number 1901639. Have you catch it again? 1901639. 1901639. $1901639. Yes, we have a winner. Happy sit. So, woo. All right, here's the winner. Oh, cross outside winner here. Yeah, cut. Wait.
Look at me.
Going once, twice, and it's closed. All right, let's have somebody on this side pick one. Let's have somebody on this side pick one. Okay, since you guys work really hard. Oh. Give me. All right, give me one. Who's the lucky guy? All right. Listen up. Okay, listen up, guys. 190, 149, and 2. Once again, 190, 149, and 2. 1901492. 1901492. Huh? Who? All right, let's see. 190.
Hey, you're welcome.
1492.
Yes.
Yes? All right, we have a winner. Good job, dito po. Okay. This is the grand finale. We are at the last item of the night. Okay, nato, okay, that's okay price. Okay, what is happened? Okay, sugar. Uros. Yay. Sisireran kaya, what's that? Bikotan. Robin. And 1 sack of rice. Wait. Yeah, Saigori, Ashuk, Market. Saigori, wow, Rich Karawori. Kawa. Itu. Egon. Sini. Egon. Give grandma 10. And her change. 10. Kawa. Last prize for the night. Last call, last prize for the night. We got this one. So we got this one. Oops. Subject. All right, so we got this. And then we got this one. And then a case of chicken. Then 1 case of ramen, noodle soup, and 1 sack of rice. 1 sack of rice for $1. 1 sack of rice for $1. Hi, how are you? Can you give me a hug, please? Thank you. Oh, nothing. Can you say hi to our camera? Right there. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Wait. We check sugar market. Business is booming. Wow. Other countries are having difficulties with Trump's tariff. We're making money over here. Yes. All the countries are paying high rates of percentage on the tariff. Huh? Nigiti, go background. Oh, there's more. This is our last price, so you might as well just spend those money right there.
I know.
Those. Yeah? Including that one.
The right one. It's not outside.
Huh? That's your hustle. Saigori, have it covered. Ni bawah chak cover, Marasin. Lawson. Simon.
Reimbursement for what?
For those.
Nothing for it are always on the Okay. 30.
Saigori, Saigori, Karabori. Wow, wow. Wow. What the heck? You see that thing is following you? It's 3 minutes. Oh, Marcel. No rakusento. 3 minutes. You check what the time. 3 minutes. Dite. Hey. Ya, Rosa Sok, Ruachara. Apuk. Ruachara. Ebro para pergara Ruachara. Ruachara, Ruachara.
Okay.
20.
That's 20.
Okay.
You need 20?
Antiros. Rosiro seperewira pak aku per Ruachara. Huh? Morrison, give it to him. Antiros. Ruachara, Ruachara. Separo rever po Saigori akabe. Going once, twice, and it is closed. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Good. Achogari. I said you got nevi kararabba. Masarasar payi chak Saigoron. At sakakke. Apara ki sabatores payi Saigoron. Good. Wah, guys, masarasar si pari guys bocah-bocah yatek. Wait. Great deal. Whoa, okay. Last number of the night. Kauchinuk David Kara. So the number is 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, and 6. 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, and 6. 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, and 6. Do I have a winner? 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, and 6. 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, and 6. 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 9, and 6. Verified. We have a winner. Happy say. So. Wow. Apa ya? Kinisou. Kinisou. Ya, Kinisou, ayi cak gugurat sa fundraise nepurek. Si bacak para pasat Kinisou geri kemi very sir rabi participate norats program nepurek. Erigi awapati pe fer ab kecon yori asar nesor nya si pure förriga resor, pure cek nöts kaukurasor, pure cek divetsara, että esa poritsara. Ceki baru buat keira, Kinisou capurred, aceh fundraise ne pure, eriku pure pan ngeri, sewat sekarang bapak, pusin asaparat nor, kiri, red match air announcement. Kinisou, happy medicine. All right, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you like it, and thank you for those of you that participated in our church fundraiser today. Thank you, and hope to see you guys on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, check out our video, subscribe and like, share, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Thank you.